Zoe, come here. Go get it. Come on, come back here. Hello, Zoe. What are you doing? No.
No.
No, why? No. Zoe, come on. Come here. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Zoe. Come on. Want to go out? Yeah, come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Zoe, sit.
Was part of your
Sit.
fight with your mom over me?
What?
Was part of your fight with your mom?
No. Zoe, sit. Sit.
I would feel so horrible about it.
Good girl. Now give me a paw. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Go lay down. Go. Go. Go lay down.
Okay, Mommy.
Good girl. Come on.
Why?
Sit.
After Leslie can't find her pocketbook, she switched cars with Ryan. Trucks, Norman's Trucks.